What is up, Trumpet family? We are checking out an unboxing today of a Pumpet instrument that I've been sent, and this is the Pumpet C-Lion. Let's check it out, see what it is together. All right. Oh, it's very small. I want to see if this is a B flat or something else. All right. First off, pretty good little case. Let's open it up. Oh, it's blue. All right. Looks like a trumpet cornet thing. Let's check out B flat or C. B flat instrument. It's pretty good. Check it out. Let's see what it sounds like. First time playing it. Not bad, not bad. Look at that. Check it out. Tiny little thing. Pumpet C-Lion. Let's check what else it came with. See if it stands up like that. Whoop. It does not. Oh, stands up when you push the tuning slide in. All right, let's check what else it came with. It came with 2 valves. If the piston is stuck, replace with these if necessary. It's pretty cool. 2 clear mouthpieces. This is going to be a fantastic addition. What are these sizes? I'm guessing 3C, 7C mouthpiece. Looks like that in the trumpet. Check it out. Beautiful. And the 7C too. So you can check those out. That is fantastic. That's a really good beginner instrument. Don't even need to oil it. Straight out of the box. That's fantastic. And it comes with a backpack strap here, so you can put that into the trumpet. It looks like this all together. Let's check it out. Kind of losing things as we go here. Kaboom! Look at that. Easy to carry, tiny. This would be great for a beginner or an intermediate person.